But Clay, and if I don't have anything on the scene, so I'm shooting outside, there's nothing there, all right? And of course, sometimes you get the situation. We get those situations all the time, okay? So for that reason, I mean, and I'm showing like sometimes wedding related images because we shoot mostly weddings. So look at this scene here. It's an outdoor scene. There's not a whole lot there, right? I have like two trees where I'm using to frame bride and groom. But look at her veil. See how I use her veil as leading lines? Is leading right into her, right into the couple. So you don't have to have an element every single time on the scene to frame your subject, to direct your eyes to the subject. You start looking at this, start looking at the veil, and the veil goes exactly where she is. Okay, so think about this, looking at your scenes, look at your subjects, and look what they have that you can use to lead your viewers' eyes into the subject.